There's a tree house masters. At saka doon, pwede ka mag-rent ng mga bike doon. You can ride the bike within 2 hours, I think. Then doon kami mamaya mag-ride. Sana yung dalawang babae nasa souvenir. Ano tayo dito sa loob ng tree house. Yes, baby, we're upstairs. Huh? I can't understand you. We're upstairs here. Oh, outside by the tree house.